So in the previous video we saw that how we can generate a Excel report using the Power Automate Flow and SharePoint, and we also sent this over email using this Outlook 365 action. In this video I am going to remove this action and I am going to use inbuilt email functionality of CRM. So for that first we need to search for add a new row. In that Dataverse action I am going to create a email message. So here in the table name area I am going to type email message. Okay, it's a email message. Okay, and once I select this table name, form will pop up here, and here you can see there is activity party attributes. So in the drop down you will see these many options. So either we can select from and to party from the drop down, or we can switch to the array, and here we can insert the array. We can insert it in a variable, and then we can put that variable inside here. Otherwise we can manually type that array. So let's select the from in the drop down, and here I am going to use the system users against which the mailbox is successfully run, or mailbox is already created. So the format is like this, and below that I am going to select from the drop down the to attribute, the to party. So the to party I can select from here, and I am going to send it directly to the email address. So for that I need to switch to that array format, and you can see that this is how it looks when we switch to array. And here I need to add one more key regarding this object, that is address used, and after that I will give the colon, and in the double quotes I will again enter the email address. For now, let's once you do it you can switch back to the normal drop down view, and here you can see how it looks like that. And I will add these system users and address used in a few moments. Before that, let's go to the advanced option, and once you click on that you will see there are many fields or attributes which we can fill it. For our demonstration purpose I am making it very simple, so I am just going to add the subject line of that email message. So let's say account report, and above that if you see there is a attribute called description. Here this is the email body which is going to be the going to show to the users. So here we can use the HTML tag, as it support HTML tag to format the email message, as if we don't use this HTML template, HTML attributes, so the format will be not good to view. So we are going to add this into a paragraph tag, and I am using the couple of break line elements, and so it is like hi, please find the report, and again I am using the new line tag, and after that thanks. So this is how I have formatted my email body, and once it's done we can go to the new step, and here we are going to again search for add a new row, because we are retrieving the attachment from the SharePoint. So we want to create a attachment, and we want to also attach it to the email message. So here in the add a new row to action I am going to search for the attachment, and you will see there will be two options. You just need to select the first one. Once you select this one, one form will pop up for you, and here in the attachment this is a lookup field, so we need to give it a null value because we have not created any attachment as of now, so we should give it a null value. Below that we have this entity. So entity is nothing but a drop down field, and we can also provide the custom value. These both email activity and email template is not going to work for us, so we have to give a manual value here, so it will be email only. So we can just type it directly here, and after that we need to add the more options, like more value we need to provide, which is in the advanced options. So these are the value we need to give. So let's add these values one by one. So now we need to map this attachment to the email message getting created on this above action, and here we need to make the syntax like we need to give the plural name of that entity, that is emails, and in the bracket we need to give the GUID of that email message, and we can dynamically provide like this. And after that we need to give the body of that attachment. So let's search for that dynamic value. This would be in the get file content. I think that action will have this as a output, so we will select that one. So under get file content we have this file content. The dynamic value we need to modify a little bit because it will contain it is a array, so we need just a single property or object from that. So for that we just copied it and pasted it under the expression tab, and here we are going to select the particular property which we want, that is with the name, with the key name as dollar content. And once it is done we are going to click on the OK button, and that's it. So we have got the body successfully of that attachment. After that we have this file name and MIME type. So file name we can select by searching name, and it would be under this create file. So with the name which we created, that name will come here with the extension. And the MIME type, if we search type or something, media type should be there, so that would be also a dynamic value. Let's search it. So yeah, this is a media type. So this is media type, nothing but the type of the file, it gives this. And now the two actions are completed. Now we need to send it. So to send it we need to use the inbuilt action, that is perform a bound action. There will be certain actions which we can use, but for our scenario we are going to use the first, we need to select the table name, that is the email, because we are going to take action on that email message. And once the email message is there, now we need to select the action name, that is send email. So and after that we need to give the row ID. So row ID is nothing but the email message row ID, that is we are going to pick from the dynamic menu. And here we just need to type email message, and the most important point, we need to select yes in the issue send drop down, otherwise the email will be in the draft state. Okay, so now all things are set except one more thing, as I told that I need to give the GUID of that system users, and I need to also provide the email address. So let me give it right now, and I am just pasting it over here. And after that I just need to add the email address under the to party. So just against this address used key I am going to add the email address, so that email will be sent to that particular email address along with that attachment. Once this is done, I am going to save this flow. Okay, so our flow changes are saved, and now it's time to test the flow, and let's see how it works. So I'm going to click on the test flow and click on the test button and select the flow run type as manually. So as we can see our flow is running, and let's see the email is getting created or not from the changes which we have made here. And the flow is successful. So that means our email message should have got created under the email table. And to find out, let's go to the advanced setting, and here we will have the advanced find. In the advanced find, we can search the table called email messages. So let's search it, look for the email messages, and here we just need to click on the result, and here you can see this is the email message which got created from the Power Automate flow, and it was also sent to the email address which I have mentioned in the flow. The status here in this email message, you can see it is sent. On the right side you can see the attachment is also added, the Excel report which we generated from the SharePoint, and this is how we can send the email. This is an alternate way to send the email if you don't have that Outlook 365 license. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.